Today we'll talk about how can you find communities on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this photo, you click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on account settings here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down and you click here on manage notifications. So when you click on manage notifications, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, so you keep going down and you click here on communities here. So then it's going to take us to this list. Then here can you manage communities here on your Reddit app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.